Hi, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades, and I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Let's get started. All times are Eastern Time. We're starting the week on Monday with three reports that we're going to watch, no trade room. Swiss CPI at 2:30 in the morning, Australia retail sales and trade balance at 7:30 p.m., and then Chinese trade balance at 10 p.m. Our first trade room is Monday evening at 10 p.m. for the Australia rate decision. Tuesday afternoon, we'll be back in the room at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report. Wednesday, 7:45 a.m. for the ADP report. Then we'll be back at 9:30 for three events: the Canada rate decision, JOLTS, and also Fed Chair Powell is speaking at 9:30, and we'll stay in the room for the oil inventory reports at 10:30. Back at 11:30 on Wednesday for WASDE, one of our favorite events, 12:30 p.m. for the 10-year bond auction, and 1:30 p.m. for the Fed's Beige Book. Thursday morning, we'll be back in the room at 10 o'clock for natural gas storage, and then 12:30 p.m. for the 30-year bond auction. Friday, a very late in the month, the U.S. jobs report at 8 a.m., a family money trade, also the Canadian jobs report at the same time. The U.S. jobs report, or NFP as it's often called, is our week stream of the week on YouTube. So it should be a great week, some good events, Canada's rate decision, the Australia rate decision, API has been a nice winner for us, and of course the WASDE and the U.S. jobs report, some big potential market moving events. Going to be a great week, so make sure you find your way into the trade room and trade along with us. And don't forget, if you're a challenge member, to sign up for the graduation class at www.10daygrad.com. www.10daygrad.com. All right, everyone, I'll see you in the trade room. Hope you're having a great weekend. It's Leigh Goldstein for 10 Minute Trades.